Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The voice of Jamaica has spoken. Mark Myrie, aka Buju Banton Gargamel, has chimed in on SOJA's win of reggae music Grammy #1 album for 2022 here, ladies and gentlemen. And he says we are making trash music. We're gonna see what the Bantan have to say. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen, as of the 2022 year Grammy year. And Buju Banton speaks out on SOJA Grammy win. As you know, it's been a controversy all over the internet. The Jamaican population were a little bit appalled or shocked, I should say, by the almost 100% European band winning the Reggae Album of the Year for the Grammys. But Buju Banton says some Jamaican entertainers have been making trash music. And do you agree with that, my friends and family? Do you agree with Gargamel, the Grammy winner, saying that some Jamaicans have been making trash music? The Grammy Award winner was speaking on SOJA's Grammy win in Best Reggae Album category at the 64th Annual Award for the Grammys last Sunday. The predominantly white Virginia-based band had upstaged Jamaicans artists Sean Paul, Spite, Etana, Gramps Morgan, and Jesse Royal, and academic faced the fury of accusation, including those of bias and race-based favoritism. However, the usually outspoken musician veteran has declared that Jamaican industry has been turning a blind eye as entertainers continue to churn out substandard music. We're making trash music, Buju Banton told Iria Friend, contrary to the opinions of others. He told Courtney Mack after he wrapped up the performance at this year Love and Harmony Cruise on April 4th. We are out here. Most of us don't bat an eye. They don't seem to see the consequence or the reformation of such a bad card that was played on us in the industry. Now, Gargamel, I sure you said, the work to be done to make Jamaican music great again before he called out radio DJs with conflicts of interest. We have some working for do in the industry. It kind of clouty. We have to make this music great again, Buju said. The things that plague this music for years, the musician then play a minor part. But when you have this jockey now becoming producer and they want to dictate who's supposed to be heard on the radio, and they themselves have a stake in what being played on the radio because it's monetary, the music take a left turn. Hence we have what we have now. What you call it? Because I don't know what to call it. What you call it? Banton, who won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album in 2010 for his 10th studio album, Before the Dawn, argued that it's not for him or his generation of artists such as Berries to make a difference as they already make their mark. He's asking now, what are you doing? That's what Buju basically is asking. I know music is generational, but what is the generation getting from this music? I say I want to be on top. I can be on top. My generation did do what them supposed to do. What your generation I do, he remarked. Last month, Banton announced that he would soon release his 12th studio album. The announcement came almost 2 years after he released the Grammy-nominated 20-track Upside Down 20 in 2020, which was his first in decades, and 15 months after he released from the United States jail, right? His U.S. gold-selling Till Shiloh, which was originally put out in 1995, also became more popular. After the spirited performance, Buju shared the experience on social media this week, thanking the Love and Harmony community for what he said was so much fun. Big respect and love and harmony, to the Love and Harmony crew. I had so much fun playing music for you all, he wrote in the caption for one of the 2 posts that he made. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Love and Harmony crew's lineup was this year also saw performance from Beanie Man, Barry Salmon, Wayne Wonder, Nelly Sutherland, Coco T, and Ewan Yearland. Now, the cruise took sail, departed from Fort Lauderdale to Ocho Rios, Jamaica, and then went on to Nassau, Bahamas. So I want to chime in and leave in a comment, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if you agree with Gargamel, Buju Banton, that the music where the Jamaican them American call reggae a garbage music. It's trash music. If Rasta no sing too good tune, the man them don't know what to sing say. So big up all the Rasta entertainer that's keeping it loyal and royal and keeping it foundation, cause roots are roots. Deep Roots TV. If you wanna hear the truth, subscribe Deep Roots TV. This TV is for all real youths, for all free youths. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more happiness.
How you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach.
That we say, Rastafari run the world. So tell every little boys and girls.
Yeah, run Marley, Deep Roots TV. Listen up, see it? Rastafari.